What's up everyone? My name is Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get more YouTube subscribers with this one free, easy, and simple trick you're going to love, and I guarantee you're going to get a lot more subscribers if you start doing this. By the way, if you love this video and you want to learn more about how to grow your channel and grow your audience with organic strategies, then I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel. And by the way, I'm part of Wildfire Marketers, and if you want to learn some more cool strategies, hang out with other people who are interested in doing the same, then feel free to join our free Facebook group below this video in the description. We'd love to have you there, and we'd love to talk to you about how to grow your audience. All right, so this trick, the first step to creating it is to create a subscribe link. And basically, this is a special link that whenever somebody clicks on it, they're going to go to your YouTube channel like normal, but instead of just, landing on your normal like landing page or whatever, it's going to have this little confirm channel subscription option. So it's actually going to ask them, would you like to join this channel by default as soon as they hit the page? And chances are, if they clicked on your link and they were already interested in something and your YouTube channel has more content about that, they do want to subscribe. But if you don't ask, people just won't do it as much. It's kind of like McDonald's asking, would you like fries with that? If they didn't ask, a lot fewer people would think, oh yeah, I want fries. But when they ask, then a lot more people want it. So the way that you create this link is you take your channel URL and you add this little bit of code at the end. The code, which I'll have in the description below so you can copy and paste it, is !sub_confirmation equals 1. Now let me show you where you can apply this and how you can find it. So if you go to your Creator Studio, this is the Creator Studio. You get there by clicking here and going to Creator Studio. Then you're going to go to your channel, and then up at the top, you're going to have your channel ID up here. So this is the channel ID. It wouldn't have this at the end. So this is what the channel ID would look like. Sometimes you might have kind of a fancier name if you have more subscribers and you've applied for that. But by default, your channel name is going to look ugly like this. All you want to do is take that and then paste the code, !sub_confirmation equals 1. Copy that. And you can see if you hit enter, then it's already doing it. So it's asking if I want to confirm that I'm a subscriber. So just by default, anybody who clicks on this link, the first thing that it's going to do is ask them if they want to subscribe. And I just guarantee you a lot more people are going to subscribe. Now, the next thing I like to do is to go to bit.ly.com. If you don't know what this is, it's basically something to take, it's a service that takes really long, ugly links like that and turns them into shorter links. So now we have this new link, this bit.ly/2n whatever. You can copy this, and now you can see if I paste this in and hit enter, it's still going to do the subscribe thing. Cool. So now we've got our subscribe link. If you start putting this anywhere and everywhere you can, you're going to start getting more subscribers. I guarantee it. Now, next, I'd like to show you some examples of places that I've seen that, you can successfully add this link and start watching your subscribers go up. So again, the basic idea is take that link, take that short link or the long version, doesn't matter, and just start putting that link everywhere. Replace any link that goes to your YouTube channel currently with this link, but there's some specific places that would be a really, really, really good fit. Number one, your personal Facebook profile page. If you are at all publicly associated with your YouTube channel, then you can put links to your YouTube channel in your profile page. I didn't know this for a really long time, but down here, I have two links. One is their standard, YouTube link or whatever, but this other one is youtube.com/ and I have, a fancy name because I got some more subscribers and I applied for it. It's totally free to do that, by the way. So it's youtube.com/thenomadbrad, and then you can see !sub_ blah, blah, blah. So if anyone clicks on this link, they're going to get that subscribe thing. So that's one cool place to put it. The other is if you have a Facebook group about your topic, and if you don't, you should get one. And by the way, join our Facebook group with the link below this video, because we really love helping people build out all these social channels and get them all working together so that they all grow each other like wildfire. That's why we're called Wildfire Marketers. So join our Facebook group. We can show you how to set this up. Also, you'll see an example of how to set this up yourself. But this is another really good place. Basically, whenever you start a Facebook fan group, you have the opportunity to put some things in your announcement that everybody sees when they join the group. This is another group that I control, and you can see you can put a list of links here, and one of them, subscribe on YouTube. So anyone who joins my free Facebook group is now going to see this post, and if they click on this bit.ly link, they're going to get the confirmation thing. It's a really, really good place to put the link as well. The next one, if you have a blog, then you can obviously put the link on your About Me channel or About Me page. Let me find that. Okay, so you might have a link to your YouTube already, but I've found that it's just so much more effective to have a link to the subscription page. So just start replacing the links to your YouTube channel with this subscribe link. The next one is blog banner ads or ribbons. So I'll show you an example of a ribbon. By the way, there are tons of free WordPress plugins that will do this for you, but you can see here, there's a ribbon that's always at the top of my page that says top affiliate niches, free PDF download. But you could just replace this with, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips about whatever. And then instead of saying download now, just say subscribe now and make that link your subscription link. Also, if you have a blog, you can put, banner ads on the side for free. Just create this in Canva or whatever, and just say, join my YouTube group. And then every single time somebody visits your blog, they will see a banner to join your YouTube group, and you'll have that subscribe link. Another really good place is in the blog footer. So down here, you could add a link that's just on every single page that everybody sees. You can do that really easily in WordPress as well. Another really cool place that I like is an email marketing footer. So this is basically whenever you're creating your email, you have whatever your content is and your call to action, all that stuff. But then at the bottom of every single email, so every single time you send out your email, the people that are interested in whatever you're talking about are going to read that and click on it. But some other people might not be interested in it at the moment, but they have all these other options. It's sort of like a buffet, but you don't necessarily have to have anything other than, subscribe on YouTube, and they'll go to your subscribe link. So that's a cool way that if you're already reaching out and talking to people through email, you can add this and just your subscribers will definitely start to go up. The other is an email marketing broadcast. It's just a little kind of old fashioned. Just send out some emails and say, hey, did you know that I have a YouTube channel? You'd be shocked by how many business owners don't ever do this. Or they might have like a cutesy little icon down there at the bottom of their emails that has a link to their social media. Like MailChimp does this, puts a little cutesy little icon down there. But if you actually just send an email and say, hey, by the way, did you know that I cover all the stuff that you're really interested in on my YouTube channel? Then have that link to subscribe. If they're on your list already and they already know and like you, then they're going to be very likely to, subscribe. Another place is the YouTube subscription box. So let me show you an example of that. Here's a video on our channel here, and I find it very effective to have emojis. They just draw the eye, and people are really used to them right now. So I would go with a format like this. Have a little checkbox. This green checkbox stands out really nicely, really well. This is a little movie camera, which you can't see as well on Windows, but it looks really good on YouTube. But you could use whatever you wanted. And then it says subscribe on YouTube, and then it has a little hand pointing to it. And guess what? This is that bit.ly link, and it fits so perfectly under the video so that every time somebody watches it, check this out. Actually. Okay, so this is in the Creator Studio, and if we click Save Changes and reload that video, then, sometimes this takes a little minute, but you get it. It's going to show up right here above all this stuff, and then every time somebody watches this video, the first thing they're going to see is a link to subscribe to the channel. And then YouTube's really going to like that because it's going to reward you for having more. This video is bringing subscribers onto YouTube, which means they're more likely to stay. So also really great place to put it is under every single YouTube video is put a link to subscribe to your channel. And you might think, but I've already given them an opportunity to subscribe to my channel. I say it all the time. Well, the more the better. The more times you put this link, the more subscribers you will get. That's just absolutely how it works. The more times you refer people to these links, the more subscribers you will get. That's always how it works. The next one is a YouTube pinned comment. So now, once you create your video, you publish it, and you'll have that link underneath in the description. Well, still, some people won't even see that. So another really good place to do it is to go add a comment. You can see I added this comment here, and I pinned it, so it's always going to be at the top. And the way you do that is you basically type out your comment. In this case, I use the exact same thing that I've been using everywhere else. Subscribe on YouTube, and I clicked comment. I'm not going to do it again, but then after I commented, you can see this was, just among all the other comments. And then you go over here to these dots and you say pin. So I'll unpin it real quick. So just, say I just commented that. Now I'm going to click pin. And now this comment is always going to be at the top of this video, and it's going to get people to subscribe. So those are some really easy ways that you can definitely start to improve your subscribers. And by the way, if you want to learn lots more strategies like that for growing your audience, growing your YouTube channel, growing your social media, then please subscribe to this channel and join our free Facebook group where literally that's all we talk about, helping people get their message out there, helping people to grow their business, and helping people to grow their audience. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, hit like, share, and leave some comments below. Would love to hear from you, answer your questions, etc.